Hello children. Today I am going to tell you the story of a girl Vasanti. This was the time of India's freedom struggle. The title of the story is The Purple Hedge. That means dim light, not very clear light. The story has been written in Marathi originally by Vasudha Mane. It has been translated into English. The headmistress is checking around of the school as inspection is going to happen in 8 days. When she enters to class 4, children are afraid. She has taken status of preparation from class teacher Mrs. Carpe and given some instruction to ask all the girls for bringing the needlework. Vasanti, a girl of 8-9 years old, was lost in dreaming of a doll which she has seen few days back. Class teacher instructed Vasanti to bring the needlework the next day. That time these works are part of education, as today you people are learning computer and other activities. Vasanti said yes for it, although she was knowing she would not be able to bring because of her family condition. In evening she was home and went to bring milk from her neighbor Kaki. Here you can see the old Indian custom where neighbors are connected like families. Her neighbor auntie had already boiled milk and offered her tea, but she was in hurry as that was the time of her mother's return from school. Her mother was a school teacher. She was taking tuition also, but still financial condition of family was not good. Her father was a freedom fighter who had devoted his life for the freedom of country, and he did not stay with his family. Children, we don't know even how many families have sacrificed for today's free nation. Their children have suffered a lot for the basic requirements of life. Back again, Vasanti prepared tea and given to her sibling. And now she was waiting for her mother. She was constantly thinking how to address her demand of 1 yard cloth for doing that needlework in front of her eye, as she knew the condition of her mother too. I came and she offered tea. I was happy. Now she had hoped to get 1 yard of cloth. After a cup of tea, I was taking rest, and that time Vasanti was constantly thinking of that cloth, her genuine demand. She started talking to her mother about inspection and with all her courage asked for cloth. Might be I could not hear about it. She asked her to put the rice to boil for dinner. Now she lost hope completely. Vasanti was trying to light the lamp, but there was no oil. She informed her mother, and here comes the word from where title of the story has been taken. The purple hedge. I said, today we will have the purple hedge. Their house was having partition with help of mating. And when the tenants light lamp, a little light came from mating of Vasanti's house, from that house. Children think how they are deprived of the basic things of life also. After dinner, Vasanti again tried to address her demand for 1 yard cloth, and I said that this was not possible this month. Then I wished to for good days as thousands of people were sacrificing their lives, family lives, for the freedom of their motherland. I said that these sacrifices would not go in vain. One day would come when everything would be all right. She assured her that she would talk to her class teacher. Vasanti never asked about clothes after this. She knew her mother was a great lady who used to give speeches. She was fearless and now she was working hard. Her father was doing great service for the nation. Few days, class teacher asked about the cloth and then stopped asking for cloth for needlework as Vasanti was leader of welcome ceremony. The great day came. Vasanti had thought of taking blessings of her eye, but when she woke up, her mother was already ready for work. Vasanti had kept her only yellow frock for this occasion, and when she was wearing it, one sound had come, and there was a rip in frock. She felt like crying, but there was no time. She searched in trunk for something to wear, but there was nothing except one black blouse with jerry border. There was no single button in that blouse. She had put it over the frock and ran to neighbor Kaki's house to get it stitched from front. Now she reached school. School was decorated. Girls surrounded her to see her jerry blouse. There was no time to tell the story of the blouse. Ceremony started, and after that all dispersed to class. Now inspection started. Inspectors came to her class. All girls have displayed their needlework in front of them except Vasanti. Vasanti was feeling too uncomfortable, and that moment inspectors came and inquired for needlework. She replied she did not have, and there was no money at house. That is the reason. The inspectors mocked at her, as she was having money to buy a jerry blouse but no money for schoolwork. Now the self-respect of Vasanti caught its voice. It was the voice of her strong mother, which was coming from her. She is strongly informed that sometimes what we see, that is not the truth. Maybe there is something hidden under the cover. This blouse, the jerry blouse, is the cover. This is not reflecting the real situation. This is hiding the truth, which is Purple H. And after saying these she ran. Now she was feeling comfortable. She spoke and presented her point. When you are in anger, you have enormous strength. You want to release it. She cleaned house entire afternoon, and now she was feeling better. Evening, there was a guest with her eye. It was the inspectress. That was the time when people gave respect to people for their deeds irrespective of financial condition. In this way, Vasanti had saved her dignity. And now, thank you very much.